Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove TikTok watermark on your downloaded videos. So first of all, just open up the TikTok application. Now what you will do is, if you like the video, you just tap and long press on it, and then you will find this option save video, and this video will be saved in your gallery, but it will had a watermark if you download it this way. So now if you want to download the video without watermark, I will show you how to do this. So for this, first of all, just open up the Play Store application, and in the search bar you just have to search for this SnapTalk, and you will find this application here. Just tap on it to install. And now let's say this is the video I want to download without watermark. First of all, you just have to tap on this share icon, and you have to copy the link. After copying the link, just go back and open up the application we have downloaded recently, SnapTalk, and now you just have to tap on this agree. The link you have copied from TikTok is automatically pasted here, and you can see these three options: no watermark, watermark and cover. You just have to tap on this no watermark, click on this allow, and now your video will be saved in your gallery without watermark. As you can see, our video has downloaded. Now if we go to our gallery, and here is the video, you can simply watch. There is no watermark on this video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.